We still hot? Nope, we're good. Still pretty hot. But as you can see, for me, I'll tell you what an idiot I was. All right, so what is going on YouTube? I know it's been a little bit, but we got a little bit of an update, sorta. I mean, no updates, other than there's some parts here for the Zephyr. Motor's still not ready, but it should be finished probably by the end of this week is what I'm guessing. It depends on head gaskets. Yes, head gaskets. So, as you can see, we still have a lot to do, but I've got some parts that came in. I can't show you just yet. I'll show you everything all at one time once I get it back here to the garage. But I'm probably gonna have to do some welding on this bar again, which is nice. But I gotta make some tabs. But made the decision of what we want to do with the intercooler, and I want to show you what we're doing. As you can, we are using these headers and going with this hot side. So here's my update. We've got the wrap off of this deal, and we are going to be cutting somewhere in here and extending this because of us being 9.5 deck, and this came off of an 8.2 deck. But got my holes cut for my wastegates. We're going to be running dual VS Racing. Now they're all scratched up. Way to go, Houston. They're dual VS Racing 50 millimeter wastegates that are supposed to be good for CO2 or compressed air, whatever you want to call it. And that's what we're going to be running. And I'm going to put these back up here so I don't lose them. But the little TIG AHP, as you can hear it running there, we'll go ahead, let's shut this thing off for a second. It is doing work. Absolutely awesome. I went ahead and I did, sorry, excuse the mess. I've been trying to clean up, but we went ahead and welded this flange on, and we still hot? Nope, we're good. Still pretty hot. But as you can see, for me, I'll tell you what an idiot I was. I'm not a welder, don't claim to be, but I did something pretty stupid. I grabbed these things up yesterday, Wednesday, I think it was. I tacked them up, so yesterday. And I grabbed this. This is just ER70S2 for mild steel, and went and tacked in my beautiful new stainless pipe and stainless flanges. So that didn't work very good. So it looks great in areas like this area right here. I don't know if you can. This area right here looks like a pro. I'm pretty excited about that. And then I've started on this side. My buddy Cash is with me, so I didn't want to go too crazy. He is, what do you call it? I don't want him to hurt his eyes, and he's doing amazing. Whenever I told him to not look, he went over there and looked towards my car. It was the cutest thing ever. So he's been awesome. So we're gonna get those welded up. I've got to cap this. Not exactly sure how I'm gonna do that exactly. Probably cut, I got some pipe here. Probably cut a piece and cut it in half, bend it out, and then make me a cap. But I'm probably gonna cut this back here somewhere and cap it back here. Somebody had some decent little, like, that's stacking it right there. It looks pretty good. So this is just a cheap homemade kit that somebody had, that it should sit my turbo somewhere in this area. So once the motor comes back, we're gonna mock everything up, and I'm gonna have to extend this pipe, I know. But what I did is I got some pieces of some beautiful stainless tubing. This ended up being just, I wanted to have a 90 just in case. I'm probably not going to be using this for anything, but I was buying stuff and it was decently cheap. But let's see here, I think this is a 45. And so if I need to extend like this pipe out here, or whatever, because I think we're going to make this pipe connect, because this pipe connects on the passenger side, and we're not going to touch this one. And this one over here somewhere is going to be cut. I didn't get any straight, so I'm probably going to buy some straight 2.5 inch. I got some straight 2 inch here, but I forgot to buy straights. So don't know if I need the 45s, because actually from this company, I bought some other stuff and some 1 3/4. So if we ever do 44mm stuff again, I just got some extra stuff in here now. Let's see if I got, yeah, I mean, this is some pretty trick stuff, but sort of now it's just pretty much spent a bunch of money. Here's a 90. It's really awesome looking stuff, but it is too small for our 50mm stuff. Like way too small. Like that fits inside of the fire ring, so way too small. No big deal. I'm getting my measurements right. What are you doing, man?
I'm trying to stick these things in.
That's a magnet.
Yeah.
So I'm not scientific, but trying to explain what a magnet does is a little difficult. But anyways, so we got some stuff in today, which just sort of a little note here. The Milwaukee hoe dozer with carbide teeth cut through this super easy, no problem. I mean, it was very easy. In fact, fun. Not stainless, so we're gonna have to adjust for that. So I'll be making some calls to people, because I have stainless pipe here, a stainless pipe, and not a stainless kit. So good to know. Good to know. So if I get too crazy, or if I go, I don't know. I thought this was stainless, so there's a set, not really a setback, but I know I can make it work. But what is it, man?
Can we clean this whole place up, because
We need to. We need to clean everything in here. We got us a little bit of a mess. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and weld this last one out. And then I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about setup of what I've done here. And yeah, I'll get back to you here in just a little bit. All right, so here is the second one. It's nice and hot, but we got her good here. So just a little quick rundown. TIG AHP, or Alpha TIG, AHP, whatever, TIG 201XD. Just got my little bottle. I think I have it set on like 30 CFH or something like that. Using, make sure I don't get burnt here. Using some of just the CK TIG, the red, 3/32, sharp point, just the standard. I think this is a 7 cup, which I've got a new cup ordered, which doing that near aerosol cans real smart. So I'll have this set on, was it 71 hertz or whatever the terminology is. Let me see here. Amps, sorry, 71 amps. I'll turn this on here so you can see. I got it set on 71, and it seems to be doing good. That will continue, no pulse, DC, and I've got, let me see here, start amps 0, end amps 0, and where's my time? Where's my time? I can't front. I don't know where my time's at. Yeah, right here, post flow 5 seconds. So I have post flow 5 seconds, and it's done pretty well. Now I got to figure out how to weld stainless, which from what I understand, it'll probably just take away all the good qualities of stainless, but I'll end up building another hot side eventually anyways. But for the time being, this is what we're gonna roll with. I'm just curious here. Oh, look here. They've already done stainless to this, so obviously it can be done, which I knew it could, but we'll see how my expertise go with it. So big turbo going on this unit. I'm pretty excited. We've got a lot of things that I just had something come in today. I'll be doing a video about that and the reasoning behind its purchase. And we've got a mini tub to do here eventually, and we've got some racing that we need to do. One thing that I am probably going to do right out the gate on this mug is I'm going to take and flip these caster camber plates and allow myself for more front end travel. Think it's got any front end travel? Oh, I think we're at the top of it right now. It's pretty heavy. So we got a lot to do, and I'm in no rush now. I don't have any races. COVID's really shut out all the races down that I wanted to go to. But we got the Holly to hook up. Golly. There is a monstrous, I forget what they call these things. I've heard them called katydids. I ain't my man. You gonna have to get out of here. All right, cool. So that's about it for this video. I will allow you to have one of those. Do not touch any more. Okay? Those are not really expensive, but they're not meant to be played with. But I know you're gonna one of them. Okay? Cool? One?
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah.
Don't touch any more?
No.
Don't touch any more. Promise? Do you promise? Pinky promise? You got to give me your pinky. There we go, pinky promise. All right, cool. So, here before long, it's gonna start getting cold again. We've got some upgrades here to the shop that we got to do. And yeah, so we've got the whole turbo kit's gonna be redone big time. I've got more stuff to buy. Probably gonna buy the some stuff off of Motion Raceworks. And that's, I mean, there's just so much. There's a ton. Once the motor comes back, we've got a ton to do, and we will be just chugging along. I've got guys said they're gonna come over and help me get this thing wired up. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. Help me out if you'd like to. There is a website. Find us on Facebook. We have got some merch. Got some new shirts coming out. I will try to put them right here. So if you would like a shirt, our shirt says street racing because track racers need heroes too. So we'll get those out to you, and appreciate all the ones who do the pre-order. Hit our Facebook up every Tuesday, or we try to every Tuesday. Didn't get to this time. We have Turbo Tuesday, which is just like a podcast live thing where we interact with everybody, and it's a good time. So hit me up if you want to hear anything, you want to see anything on the channel, whatever. If you know, I like constructional criticism, whatever the case may be. We are going to get inside, and it's dark out here, and it's about time for bed probably. There's bugs and all kinds of stuff. What is it?
I'm really serious. I want to spend the night.
Oh, I know. So here's the deal. It's about that time. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, all those good things. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to see whenever I upload. And we'll be seeing the next one. And hopefully we'll be doing even more stuff to the Zephyr. Peace.